15-second go hard Richard Del Rosario training as well.
Tingnan natin. Okay, Mark, bilisan mo.
Huwag mong papahiyain ang coach mo.
Yes, at ito, madaling kausapin to eh. Doon sa 30,000. Pag manalo siya. Okay, good so far. Yes. Adjust as planned. Kita mo naman yan. Eksakto sa tinuro.
Here we go.
Yun, ako yung
Mexa on the first attempt.
I told you. Ito ito. Sige Mark, medyo pahangin ka muna dyan. Ayan, at relax ng konti.
And Mark Barroca.
Fastest so far.
Wow, 31.4.
Are you surprised at all, Coach
No,
Richard?
not at all.
But are you happy with 31.4?
I'm kind of disappointed this time.
Disappointed ka pa niyan.
Kumbaga nag-cruise lang siya para magpunta dun sa ayaw niya yung best time so far eh. Mark
Fastest
Barroca.
time so far, ha?
Yes, nakita mo naman yan. Ay!
Nako, Coach Chart. Laps yan sa practice.
Hindi, absent ako nun eh. Oo,
Okay.
kasi there was one time nagkasakit yata ako. So, yan. O, parang yun, meron pa. Kasi nga, siguro nag-relax ko, nakita niya, 54 seconds. Pero ito naman, making enough time here. Si Mark Barroca. Look at that, ha?
2 out of 2 from the 3-point area.
Yes, ito. Sakto rin yung pasa, ringless.
And a lot of time left.
Oh, yes. Ito ngayon. Kita mo naman po si Mark Barroca. Ay! 29.8.
Even improved yung kanyang finishing time.
First time na merong less than 30 seconds, ha? Mark Barroca.
Ang malaking bagay na nakita niya na nagmintis kanina. Di ba si Jason Castro? Kasi alam niya na yung gagawin niya eh.
Yeah. The winner.
Yung madaling kausap!
Ayoko naman sabihin bias ako.
Mga players na hinawakan mo.
Yeah.
So we will be keeping a close eye on all the proteges of Coach Richard Del Rosario and all of the
Alam mo,
challenges.
isa lang ibig sabihin yan.
Ano
yun?
Tinataas niya yung standard para sa sarili niya
No,
mamaya.
hindi. Ito mo naman, ha? You have to be kind.
Kailangan, ganun din. Nanalo yung mga bata mo dun sa labanan.
Yes.
Kailangan, ikaw din.
So Mark Barroca, official time 29.8 sa ating championship round. Siya na ngayon ang bagong champion of our obstacle challenge.
Finally ending yung 4-peat reign. Dito si Jonas Villanueva as we look at it again.
Ito yung mintis pa na layup ni Mark. It could have been a better time. Yes. Could have been a better time for Mark.
And this is only second time na sumali siya.
Yes, that's right. But look at that form. Look at that follow through. Okay? And look at him swish the net with this shot. At saka itong overhead pass. Ako yung pinapasahan niya dyan. Okay? Sa practice namin. And eto na. Kita mo naman yung acceleration and the finish for Mark Barroca.
Mali.
Mark.
Coffee Prince.
Coffee